Welcome to the Photography Masterclass. Will, Sam, and I are so excited that you decided to enroll in this class and that you want to learn all about photography.
Our goal is that by the end of taking this class, you are taking better photos than ever and that you feel comfortable using your camera in any situation.
For some of you, you might even want to take it to the next level and make money with your photography, or turn it into a full career.
We've designed this course for complete beginners, perfect if you're starting from scratch. If you're a bit more advanced, that's great too. Throughout the course, we've included advanced lessons to help take your skills to the next level.
Over 100,000 students took the first version of the Photography Masterclass, and we learned a lot from them.
We learned that it wasn't fair for us to teach concepts with a specific camera brand or model.
We learned that you want more demonstrations and thorough explanations.
We learned that you want an engaging class with assignments and feedback.
We learned that you may want to jump around the course to topics that interest you instead of taking it chronologically.
After learning all of this, we've put together this brand new Photography Masterclass.
Take some time to check out all the sections of this course. We've organized it in a way that we believe makes sense for most beginners starting out.
Jumping right in and learning your manual settings and how to compose better images.
Moving on to things like camera anatomy and settings, focus and lighting.
We have a section specific for mobile photography and sections on purchasing cameras, lenses, and accessories.
In the middle of this course, you'll see a bunch of sections on different photography scenarios. These are really fun sections where we put together all of the basics, put ourselves in different situations like shooting landscapes, portraits, or night photos. And in these sections, you get to see our entire method.
Later in the course, we have a number of sections on photo editing. We've chosen some of the most popular and professional applications to teach you. This way, instead of having to buy multiple courses, you can learn multiple editing apps right in this course, or pick the one that's right for you.
Finally, we wrap the course up with taking your photography to the next level, sharing your photos online and building an online presence through your photography, making money with your photography skills, and even starting a business.
As you can see, there is a lot in this course. So please feel free to jump around to lessons or specific sections that interest you most, and take the course at your own pace.
If you have any questions, feel free to post them to the course where other students and we can help you. And if there's anything we can do to make this course better, please let us know.
Thank you again for enrolling. Good luck, and most of all, have fun.